Hello everyone. To solve this question, we need to find the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 2x square plus 1 by x bracket to the power 10, where x is not equals to 0. Now, I know exactly what you are thinking. Do I really have to expand this entire binomial out to the 10th power? Absolutely not. Nobody has time for that in an exam. In this video, I am going to show you a shortcut that will save your time. When we pull 1 by x out of a bracket raised to the power 10, it becomes 1 upon x to the power 10 on the outside. This leaves us to x cube plus 1 bracket to the power 10. Since we are eventually dividing everything by x to the power 10 from the outside, what power of x do we need from the inside to end up with x square? We need x to the power 12 term, because 12 minus 10 is 2. So look at our inner term 2x cube. What power do we need to raise it to, so we get x to the power 12? Using our binomial theorem, we just grab that specific term, and that is 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial into 2x cube to the power 4. And we don't even have to worry about the rest of the expansion. So coefficient of x square will be equals to 10 factorial into 16 divided by 6 factorial into 4 factorial, which is nothing but 3360, and this is our final answer. Thank you.